Hello, and welcome to the first all-in-one marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. But how do you get started marketing? We know it's important to have online presence as well as the necessary tools to make it possible. But to do so effectively seems complicated, right? Well, not anymore. Introducing Royaltie. Everything you need to market online, automated and powered by AI. Here, just have a look at all the 5-star reviews and happy customers who currently use Royaltie for their marketing needs. No tech skills required. Be completely up and running in under 5 minutes. Just type in a little info about your business, choose your industry, and related subcategory. After, our AI engine will customize your online presence. Your website, done. Your SEO, done. Your online ads, done. Your social marketing, done. Your blog, done. Your email marketing, done. Your marketing, done. Fully automated and powered by AI.